What's up, guys? Welcome back to my favorite day of the week. It's Whammy Wednesday, where we walk around the EKKO and try to find all the mistakes Winnebago made. I know, right? It's not hard. There's quite a few. Today, we're gonna focus on the bedroom. Won't you walk with me? Okay, we're in the bedroom. All right, this first one is not a whammy, but Winnebago should have given you drawers, but they didn't. Anyway, I digress. All right, so we'll start here. No whammy, no whammy. Oop, we found a whammy. This wall right here should have came with a TV bracket, because it's kind of a pain in the ass to put one in, but they didn't do it. I mean, they've got the outlets right up there, so obviously they want you to put a TV here, right? And let's keep going. No whammy, no whammy. Stop. Found a whammy. These are okay, but these struts are horrible. Case in point, I've already had to replace those two because, well, they're low quality. They suck. And actually, we can't keep going because I have to show you something under this bed. So when you lift this up, you can see this metal piece right here. Let me turn the camera around. Makes a big divot in my wood. That's a whammy. And let's continue. No whammy, no whammy. Stop. That looks like a whammy. It's very wonky. Okay, let's keep going. No whammy, no whammy. Stop. This, there's nothing behind it. It's just a fake wall. That's a big whammy. Let's keep going. No whammy, no whammy, no whammy. Whammy. Right there. Wonky. And finally, no whammy, no whammy. Boom. The curtain that was right here is horrible. So we took it down. And we still have the screws up here from the rail because, well, I couldn't find the right kind of plugs to put in there yet. So better than holes, I just keep the screws in there. Yeah, it's kind of wonky, but that's kind of on me, sort of. I did, however, find the right size plugs for these bad boys. And oh, look, a non-whammy. My beautiful pull-out pantry. Probably should have came with that too, but that was a fun project. That's it for Whammy Wednesday. Have a good day, guys. See you on the road.